Hi, this is John with Sufront Construction Engineering. Welcome to our site. We invite you to browse through our services and our deliverables for the Structural Integrity Reserve Study. We have been providing Structural Integrity Reserve Studies since 2023. A lot of our clients have benefited from our reserve studies because we leverage our 12 years of building recertification inspection. We leverage our construction estimating capabilities in these studies. So if you have any in-depth questions, if you want to know more about how we can benefit you, feel free to give us a call. Feel free to fill out the form on our website and we would be in contact with you. Thank you and have a nice day. John with Sufront Construction Engineering. Bye-bye.